The dash cam sees the road ahead, the rear cam sees the truth, and both of them see me panic for no reason.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning and welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We just got back from CES. What an exciting time that was. We've got some great stories from the show. We've got 5 good videos up now that we did at CES. But we're back in the SCSR compound garage today, and I can't think of a better place to talk about the Red Tiger Ultra Clear 4K dash cam, which is sitting right here. Right next to it, we also have the permanent mounting kit for the 4K dash cam. What a cool product this is. We're really happy to have that here with us today. Now, this is a feature-packed camera. It's designed to deliver clear footage night and day. Now, whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just parked outside, a super high-quality dash cam is very important for protecting both you and your vehicle. Somebody could hit you right there in the driveway, and this will make all the difference in the world with your safety. So in this video, I am going to go ahead and tell you about the features of the Red Tiger 4K Ultra Clear dash cam. We're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. We're going to install it in Joe's truck, and then I'm going to tell you how to get your own on Amazon. Hang out with us today on Supercar Street Racing.
Dash cams are great until you realize they also capture your reaction to potholes.
We're here with the Red Tiger 4K Ultra Clear Dash Cam, and this is built for people who want clarity, reliability, and peace of mind. Now, starting with the quality, this camera captures 4K resolution up front for fine detail on things like signs, license plates, and details that low-resolution cameras just can't capture. And it also includes a rear camera that gives you coverage both front and back. Now, low light performance should always be a concern with the dash cam, and the Red Tiger has great low light performance that captures things like dark roads, headlights, and shadows extremely well. Now, that's going to mean clearer footage whether you're driving at night, in bad weather, or through poorly lit areas. And the wide angle lens captures more of what's in front of you, helping reduce blind spots and provide broad road coverage. Now, the built-in GPS also allows you to log both speed and direction directly into the footage, and this is super helpful for accidents or insurance purposes, or really just any kind of incident review. You also get loop recording, so you never have to worry about your storage filling up. And the built-in G-Shock sensor, as soon as something happens, it will lock that footage so you don't lose it. Like if someone just hits your car randomly in a parking lot, or someone punches it or kicks it, this thing will lock that footage so you will not lose it, even if your card fills up. Now, also, it has Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, what that means is using the Red Tiger app, you can access the footage on the dash cam or change the settings without even pulling the SD card. Parking mode is another plus. It actually works while your vehicle parks by monitoring your vehicle. It can capture hit and runs or suspicious activity when you're not even in the car. Overall, this is a well-rounded dash cam. It's designed to be simple to use while delivering high-end performance at the same time. Now that you've seen what this Red Tiger Ultra Clear 4K dash cam is capable of, let's crack open this box and see what comes inside of it. We'll take a look at the camera itself, the mounting hardware, and all the accessories. That'll be everything you need to get this thing up and running. Let's unbox it.
My dash cam doesn't record accidents. It records proof that everyone else can't drive.
This is the Red Tiger 4K plus 4K Ultra Clear Dash Cam. Now you can see from the box right here, this guy comes with 128 gigabytes of built-in flash memory. It also has 4K on both the front and the rear. It uses GPS, and it is 5.8 gigahertz on its Wi-Fi connection to your phone. There's a picture of the F77 right there on the front of the box as well. On the side of the box, just some more stuff about the dash cam. It does have Starvis 2 night vision technology and the same stats here that were on the front, but the Starvis is important for your night vision. It is a built-purpose night vision sensor. On the back, there is a QR code there, a model number, and some stuff about the actual company that designs the Red Tiger Camgood F77 dash cam. Not much else on the outside of the box here for you guys to look at. But next to that is the hard wiring kit, which allows you to permanently mount and wire your F77. It comes with a variety of things here, a basic USB-C cable here. If you want to use that, there is your connectors right here on the end. One is for battery, one is for accessory, and one is for ground. And you get a variety of different types of fuse adapters as well for you. A bunch of different kind there for you to use. All made to plug into your blade type fuses. You would plug in there and then it extends this out and gives you a jumper for you to do wiring with. That is for permanent mounting. There's a whole nother setup here of different ones. So there's plenty there for you guys to use to set up your F77 webcam. They also give you this little pry tool so that you can pry out your trim pieces if you need to. And that is it for the accessory kit. Let's go ahead and open the camera itself. And inside of the Red Tiger camera box, there is a Red Tiger user manual on top and a couple of electrostatic stickers there to help you mount to your windshield. Here is a quick start guide as well with some QR codes for you guys to scan if you need to. Shows you how to set up the camera very quickly and how to run the cables if you're not sure how to do that. It's a quick way to do it. And inside the box, here is the Red Tiger F77 dash cam. This is the front camera here. You can see right there at the screen, the camera itself right there with the peel sat on it. Go ahead and get that off. There's that. And there is the actual stick. It's the actual stick on for the windshield, so we don't want to peel that off yet. That is the front camera. This is the back camera. It actually mounts on your rear windshield. Does not go outside of the car. It is not waterproof. It goes on your rear windshield with this. And there is the camera itself. And then we should have a couple of different cables. We should have a power cable, which is what this is. It uses your standard cigarette lighter adapter right here. That's the power cable that goes into the dash cam here. You can see on the top there, you've got power and you've got rear. This would connect to the power. And then this is simply a long USB cable for your rear camera. It is going to be USB Type-C on both ends, just a long cable. We don't need to go ahead and unbox that. And there's a nice USB-A to USB-C cable as well if you need that. Came in the box as well. And that is all that came with the Red Tiger. All we have to do right now is go ahead and get this over to Joe's house, install it in his truck, and that would be it. So that's everything that was included in the box. You get both the front and rear cameras, all of the cables, mounting hardware, and also they sent me this very cool permanent mounting kit that has everything you need to hardwire the camera for good. Everything feels solid. It's so nice to see Red Tiger include everything you need for the installation. That's so cool that you don't have to buy anything else. It's all right here. And next up, we're gonna be installing this guy in Joe's truck. Now I'm gonna walk you through how the mounting works on this, how clear the wiring can be, and how straightforward the setup process actually is. Now let's head to the truck and get this installed.
I trust my dash cam more than my memory. One of them lies, and it's not the camera.
All right, guys, we are doing two projects today. Our second project is we're going to be installing the Red Tiger dash cam into Joe's truck. We are actually going to install it on his front window here, run the wiring up along his headliner down through there, down underneath, and to his fuse box. Now, the Red Tiger does come with a bunch of accessories to help you go ahead and connect it directly to the fuse box for permanent wiring. That's what we are going to use. So the first thing we have to do is get everything out of the box here. Let's go ahead and unbox the Red Tiger again, like we did at home. We got the box open, and the first thing we have to do is figure out where we're going to mount this awesome front camera. Now, it does come with built-in MMC, but it also does have an SD card slot there if you want to do that. There are two USB Type-C on the top. One is for power, one is for the rear. So what we will have to do is mount it just like this. And we don't want to be behind this part, so we're going to have to do it somewhere right there where it won't interfere with the, I believe that's his radio antenna. I think might be 10, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera like right there, right above his rear view mirror right there, and I'm gonna run the wire up around this, down through there, and then to the fuse box using the accessory kit, which I will pull out here momentarily. All you do is pull the fuse out that you're using, put one of these in, and then attach the wiring to a connector that they give you here for permanent wiring for the Red Tiger. We have our wire here that's going to be running around. It came with our accessory kit. That will just tuck nicely right up in here. There's plenty of room right there in the headliner. No big deal. It'll run around, and then we will hook it up to the fuse box. We will then run the wire for the rear camera as well up there, and then mount the rear camera on the back of the cab. We'll run the wiring nice around the back as well. I'll show you guys all that here momentarily. But this part goes into the camera right here. So all we need is enough to reach down and connect to the camera. And then the rest, you can see it just tucks nicely using our tool here that they gave us. It'll just tuck right inside there, along with the rear camera as well. It'll stay right in there, just like that. They both will. And then it'll run nicely down the side of the pillar here, right along the pillar here, down to the bottom. I'm gonna take about 5 minutes to go ahead and run this, and then we'll come down to the fuse box here and connect it to 12-volt power. If you don't do that, you can use your cigarette lighter adapter. I'm going to come down the side of the pillar right here, stuff the wiring into the side of the pillar, and then I'm going to run down through the dash right here on the side and down to his fuse box. Let's get that done. All right, I went ahead and ran the wire down here and around the pillar here, and I have enough left over here to just be able to plug in directly to the camera here, and then go ahead and sticky mount the camera to Joe's windshield right here. And then down here, the next thing I have to do is connect the fuse. And what I am using, I'll show you guys what came with this for that. Now on the end of this other end of the power connector, you can see here we have a ground, an accessory, and a battery plus. We will find a fuse. Actually, we'll find 2 fuses down below, one with a power on all the time and one with an accessory on. And then we will be using these fuse block connectors. So you just remove the fuse and you replace it with this. That's all you really have to do. And then you connect this other end to the connector, and you do have power for your dash cam. All right, I got the Red Tiger cam installed and I got the power wire run. I do have to run the rear wire now. That's all I have left to do, run the rear wire. Power should be good to go. Let's go ahead and get the rear camera installed as well. We're in the back of Joe's truck now, and I am gonna go ahead and install this rear camera right here. Super easy. All I have to do is clean the glass first, make sure it's good and clean, and then all I have to do is undo the sticky right here on the camera and push it right there. I will run his USB Type-C. It's on the side. I'll run it up through the headliner and around down here, down through the bottom of the truck and to the front camera, and that is how it gets powered. All right, I went ahead and ran the wiring down around the corner here on his headliner, down underneath the carpet and to the front camera. All that's left to do right now, I think, is go ahead and power up, and then we just have to aim the cameras, which is pretty easy. You just literally tilt them like that. But yeah, and then you can tighten this wire up here by just pushing it in more if you need to, and then it will go right back up in there like that. So let's go ahead and get the system powered up. I see a green light. It is on, and it is asking for setup. I pushed English. All right, it looks like it is recording both the front and the rear now. Oh, my wire fell down. I'll fix that later. And let's go ahead and open the Red Tiger app here on the tablet. I got to connect to Red Tiger F77 7.2. You can hit preview, and it looks like it's connecting. There is our picture of our dash cam. How cool is that? Now you can also do playback here. Now playback would be what it has already recorded. Now look, that's the back of the truck right there. This is where we can set up our audio recording on or off. We can set up the resolution. You can do 4K 30, 4K 30, 2.5 60, 4K 30, or 2.5 30, 4K 30 there. There is the G sensor. Now that means when something happens, when the car or truck is parked, it will start recording, and it will save that as well, so it can't be overwritten. Now, when you go into an actual clip, we can click download, and we're going to click allow so it can go ahead and download, and there we go. It's at 13% already, so it is downloading. Now what we're going to do is drive around. We're going to go ahead and drive around a little bit with the dash cam connected so we can get some video off of it. We will download that later and drive around at night as well.
Dash cams don't judge you. Oh, but they definitely remember when you forgot your blinker.
Now, if you're interested in picking up one of these ultra clear 4K Red Tiger dash cams, Amazon is one of the easiest and most convenient ways to pick this up. You can search for the Red Tiger dash cam, but even easier, go down to the link in the description, find the Red Tiger dash cam in the description, and go ahead and click on that. There you're going to find the best pricing, the best reviews, and everything about this camera and the accessory kit. And of course, one of the biggest advantages of buying through Amazon is the fast shipping, especially if you have Prime. If you don't, I suggest you go ahead and sign up now. And make sure you buy through our link. We also have a special code for you down there. Check in the description for that code. And you know with Amazon, you get reliable customer support as well. So check the product page and make sure you're getting the right model by clicking on my link specifically. It helps the channel out just a little bit, gives us a few dollars here and there to survive. Now, I also recommend scrolling through the customer reviews and the pictures after you've watched this video. That could possibly show you some different installation setups in different vehicles. And also make sure you keep an eye out for deals, special prices, and coupons. Once this thing arrives at your house, setup will be straightforward and easy, and you'll be up and running quickly. Now, if you're looking for a high quality dash cam with excellent features, strong video clarity, and easy installation, the Red Tiger 4K dash cam is definitely worth checking out. Now, this is the part of the video where we thank you for over 260,000 subscribers, a 1 million view video, and generally just awesome support. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button on the video. Leave us a comment. We're curious what you think about the Red Tiger Ultra Clear 4K dash cam and how you love the channel. Also, don't forget to check out Supercar Street Racing, our second channel that's not for everything for the first channel, but still has some good quality content on it. Now, we got to get out of here now. We've got a couple of other videos to shoot today. Thank you for watching Supercar Street Racing. We'll see you on the next one.